I think we're ready to start in 3, 2, 1.
And right out of the gates, team 1065-2 barrels himself into the crater, and team 1548-9 goes straight into the pole. Oh, and team 9520 pull a little wheelie over there.
9520 looks like they've fallen over, but their robot base looks just strong enough that they might be able to right themselves without any major inconveniences.
We got a freeze frame here of a nice motorcycle stunt from 9520 as their teammates 1452-7 are in a standstill with the rover.
I'd like to see an Abrams pull that trick.
3, 2, 1.
And we begin. 9520 trying to figure out how to get themselves up. Very close there. 9520 is back on the ground, while 10652 even tries to pick up on some of the minerals.
As it tries to prop itself up to dig itself out, it is stuck on a gold and a silver mineral, which is barely keeping its wheels from touching the ground. If they manage to get purchase, however, they might be able to wriggle their way out, as their teammate, 1548-9, manages to corral some things into their depot in order to try to provide some kind of success. And they go out and try to help their teammate, who is unfortunately stuck.
15489 looking like 10652 managed to get themselves off the minerals. They're getting stuck against 9520's body though. 14527 trying to get themselves off that red crater, but it looks like they're solidly stuck with the center of their drive base pressed into the peak of the triangles.
It seems that without a good angle of purchase, they won't be able to escape their tricky predicament. However, if they're able to use their arm to try to prop themselves up, they might just be able to do it. And team 1056-2 manages to score inside of the lander with their cup claw.
That being said, it did take quite a while. Hopefully it manages to get them right up over what they need to counteract that depot.
And slowly but surely, team 9520 has been able to slowly corral a mineral inside of their depot, and that is the bell for endgame, as teams now have a very limited amount of time to try to hang themselves back up. And it seems that 9520 has decided to take a bath with the minerals.
A very elegant hang from the Blue Alliance, getting it done fast.
And team 10652 deciding to try to join them.
And that's the game.
And we have scores for Qualification 20, with Blue Alliance coming for the win with 120 points versus Red Alliance's 71.